Here's how to create an email address. One of the most used means of communication today is an email address. This channel of communication is not only cheap and fast, but also allows us to share and store thousands of documents digitally. Furthermore, one's email address is often used to verify one's identity when they are trying to register to use other digital platforms and apps. It is therefore very important for everyone to have an email address. Creating an email is simple and free. Using your computer or smartphone, go to www.gmail.com, after which you will be led to a page with information about Gmail. Click on Create Account, after which you will then be led to the account creation section. Proceed to enter your first and last name. In this case, my name could be Jen Muhawe. Go ahead to then create your Gmail username. In the username text box, type in the username you want to use for your email address. This is the name which appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. For example, it could be your name, jenmuhawe@gmail.com. If your selected username is already taken, you'll be asked to choose a different one. Please do so if you are requested. Begin by typing your preferred password into the password text box. Then type the same password into the confirm password text box. These passwords must match before you can proceed. To ensure your password is safe and cannot easily be hacked, use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Furthermore, ensure you do not share your password with anyone, as you could be a victim of identity theft, whereby another person could commit a crime or send communication using your identity. Click Next at the bottom of the page. Next, enter your phone number. I will show you how to verify your phone number later in this video. You will see a form to enter some of your personal information. Add your date of birth. Click the month drop-down box and select the month of your birthday, then type the year into the year text box respectively. Select your gender. To do this, click the gender drop-down box, then select one of the gender options in the resulting drop-down menu. Once you have done this, click Next. Review Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then click I agree. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Gmail account. When you first create your account, you will be automatically signed in. Most of the time, however, you'll need to sign in to your account and sign out when you're done using it. Signing out is especially important if you are using a shared computer because it prevents others from viewing your emails. We imagine now that you want to sign in and send your first email. Go to www.gmail.com. Enter your username, which is the email address you earlier created, and password. Then click Next. Click Not Now. I will show you how to manage this information in your Google account later in this video. Click plus Compose in the upper left side of the Gmail inbox. Doing so opens a new message window in the lower right corner of the page right here. Click the To text box here, Then type in the email address of the person to whom you want to send your email. To add multiple email addresses, type in the first email address, press tab, and repeat with the other email addresses. If you want to copy someone or CC someone, put their email address here, especially if you are sending a copy of the email message information and you want everyone to explicitly see who has access to that copy. If you want to BCC someone, put their email address here, especially if you are sending them a copy of the email message information and do not want other recipients to see that you have sent it to their contact. To add a subject, click the subject text field, then type in whatever you want the subject of the email to be. An email subject describes the content of the email in a few words. To enter your email message, go to the large text box below the subject text box and type in whatever you want for your email message. If you would like to add a file from your computer, click the attachments icon right here and proceed to add your file. Proceed to then click Send to send your message. To view your sent message and confirm that indeed it has been sent, go to the Gmail sidebar right here and click Send. You should then be able to view the email you have just sent as well as all other emails you may have previously sent. With Gmail, you can also schedule your emails where you can draft your email or choose not to send it immediately but at another time that is convenient for you. To do this, go ahead and click Compose, input the email address you'd like to send an email to, type your subject and message. At the bottom left next to Send, click on the drop-down arrow right here. Click Schedule Send. Proceed to then choose the time you would like your email to be sent like this. To confirm that your email has been scheduled, go to the Gmail sidebar right here and click on Scheduled, after which the email content you have scheduled will appear. You can also proceed to click the email, which will show you the exact time the email is to be sent. To add a draft of your email message, simply compose an email as you would normally do, but do not send it. When you go to your draft section, you should then be able to see the email draft and keep working on it or send it out. Gmail sorts your email messages into categories based on who the email comes from, what type of content is in the message, and how you are likely to interact with it. The three main tabs Gmail uses are Social, where messages from social networks fall, Promotions, where deals, offers, and newsletters fall, and Primary, where emails from the people you know fall. In the sidebar, we also have Starred, where you can find emails you have marked as important, Snoozed, which is a Gmail feature that helps to remind you to follow up on specific emails. Scheduled is where your scheduled emails fall, and Drafts, where you can find a draft of your email and keep working on it before sending it out. In the top right corner here, you can click here to view your Gmail profile. If you want to make any settings and further customize your Gmail account to your preference, you can simply click here on the settings icon. In case you need any further assistance from Google, you simply click the help button right here and in the search box type your question or look through the material available that could help you answer your inquiry. Gmail also allows you to browse through various Google apps that could be of benefit to you. Click on the dots right here and you will be able to see and click on the Google app you would like to explore and use. This could be Google Maps, YouTube, Google Calendar, Photos, Contacts, Notes, Podcasts, and so much more. Gmail has so much to also offer as regards to your account. To explore more, click here on your Gmail account where you will then be able to see more information you can go through. Proceed to then click on the personal information here. Proceed to then click on the personal info section here to ensure that the personal information related to your account is indeed the one. You can also edit it if you feel that you need to change anything. Under the data and the personalization section right here, Gmail allows you to further manage and personalize your data. In the security section here is where you can make your Gmail address more secure. Here, you can add your phone number or a second email that can help you recover your account should you by any chance forget your email address. Adding this information can also help to verify your identity or alert you when you or someone else signs into your email address using another device. To add or update your recovery phone number, simply click on the number right here, sign into your email address again, after which you can edit the number or leave it as is. To verify it, click Verify Now and get the code, after which a verification code will be sent in an SMS message to the phone number. Proceed to input the code right here to verify the number. You can also add another email address to help you recover your Gmail account right here. Under the People and Sharing section here, you can further view and group the people you interact with into groups. The Payments and Subscription section is where you can view your payment information, transactions, recurring payments, and reservations. For more information about Google and the various services it provides, you can simply click here on the About button and scroll through the page where you will find more information you need to read about Google and the services, the products, the apps it provides. Now that you have created an email account, proceed to send your first email. If you, for some reason, are not able to or do not wish to create an account with Gmail, you can also create an email using other options below, which are also provided for at a free cost. You can go to www.yahoo.com, .outlooklive.com, or www.protonmail.com. Thank you for taking the time to view this video, and we hope that it has been of great benefit to you.